Today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to cut my hair in a butterfly style. My God. As you can see, you have to have your hair this way and then tie it over here, and at the back side you have to, the other half, you have to tie it high up like that, and then we're going to cut it a butterfly style. My God, what are you, Myrna? So where's my scissor? So I'm gonna cut this one up to here. Okay?
Guys, what is she doing?
Oh my God, bahala na bukas. See?
Lola, are you sure that's a good idea?
I don't know.
Hair.
Ah!
What if you don't like it?
Oh my God. And then the rest of this one,
You're gonna have bangs.
I'm gonna make it like a beard. Beard like this, or bird like this.
Guys, she's weird.
And then the other half, we're going to cut it also. See, just cut it straight. Just cut it straight. Oh my Lord, are you sure, Mila? It's hot. Simula nang dumating ako dito sa Amerika, hindi na ako nakapagpagupit sa parlor. Kasi I don't trust. No. Hindi ako nagpupunta sa parlor kasi ayan na. The moment of truth. You talk to them, Mila, while they say no, you don't touch that. Just talk to them. Lola's gonna make the moment of truth. You have to wait, guys.
She's gonna make the moment of truth, so I gotta touch it. So I gotta go. And
Okay, get up. Oh, how is it?
it's cute.
See, this is what you call a butterfly. It's good. Oh my God, what happened? Why did you close it? I like it. This is what you call butterfly hairstyle. Parang, alam mo ba ang natanggal ko? 4 inches. Oh, see? Kung sino man ang gusto magpaputol sa inyo ng buhok, come here. I'll do the butterfly hair. Oh, di ba? Napanood ko lang to sa YouTube eh. Tapos ginaya-gaya ko, alam mo naman. Ayan. Tapos yung natanggal, ang daming natanggal, oh. So maliligo na ang lola nyo, and after that, yan. Hindi pa nga siya naging short, mahaba pa nga siya eh, oh. Pero kumakapit siya dito. Bagay ito sa mga mukhang malalaki ang panga. 'Di ba? Kasi it's cover your pangashing. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Parang layer siya. I love it. Oh, how would you rate my hair?
A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. How did you rate it? A 9?
Out of 10.
Yeah. Okay. That's good enough. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. So you don't have to go to the parlor. Just do it like this.